Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1791, that is find the center of the star graph. And in this there is an undirected star graph consisting of n nodes and labeled from 1 to n, and a star graph is a graph where there is one center node and exactly n minus 1 edges that connect the center node with every other node. And we'll be given a 2D integer array edges where edges of I is equal to ui vi, which indicates that there is an edge between the nodes ui and vi, and we have to return the center of the star graph. For example, we are having 1 2 4 3, and so 2 is basically the center because it's connected to all of the nodes. Then we are having, okay, so the picture for the next example is not available, but one thing you can notice is that the center is present in all of the edges, because like 1 2 2 3 4 2 1 2 5 1 1 3 1 4, so our output comes out to be 1. Okay, so for this we'll be using a kind of a greedy approach. So let's have a variable first edge as the common vertex, I guess, yeah, common node will present all of the edges, so we'll be just checking the first two edges, that which is the common node, and that will be our answer. Okay, so let's that will be equal to edges 0, and let's have the variable int second edge, so that will be equal to edges 1. So our answer will be if, okay, let's just directly return if my first edge is, 0th element is equal to the second edge, um, 0th element, or my first edge first, I'll just, or first, um, yeah, first edge 0 is equal to the second edge first element. If this is true, either of this is true, I'll be returning the first edge, so 0th element. Otherwise I have to return the first edge first element. Okay, because that will be our answer. Now let's run it. Compilation error cannot find symbol. Okay, DGH. Yeah, yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was the video. Thank you for watching.